Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One Step. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into your Metabank's Rushcard account. So Rushcard is basically like a debit card or a credit card which is provided by, Metabank to its user. So it's basically some kind of extra facility provided by Metabanks to its user. So if you guys have not yet signed up for a Metabank, you guys can watch our video on how you guys can create yourself a Metabank account in order to, be part of Metabank, because just like this, Metabank also provides a lot of facility to its users. All right. Now with that out of the way, let me show you guys how you guys can log into your Metabank Rushcard account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Want to Step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, you want to search for Metabank Rushcard login, just like this, Metabank Rushcard login. Once you search for it, you want to click on where it says account login Rushcard prepaid Visa card. Click on it and it's going to take you to account.rushcard.com. Make sure it takes you to account.rushcard.com. Once over here where it says username, you need to enter the username of your account. And where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account. After entering a username and password, click on login. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Metabank's Rushcard account. And if you for some reason forgot the username or password, click on forgot username/password and it's going to help you recover it as well. And if you want to register for its access, you can always click on register. And if you want to activate your card, let's say you have a new card, you want to activate it, you can click on activate over here and it's going to take you to the activation page. Over here, you need to enter your card number, your CVV number, which is also going to be on your card's expiration date over here, choose its month and choose its year over here. Enter the social security number, your social security number. Of course, social security number is not going to be available on the card. Only the card number, CVV, and its expiration date is going to be available. The SSN number has to be yours. Click on I'm not a robot to get the tick mark to verify you're not a robot. Click on next and it's going to ask you for some more details. And on the third step, your card will be activated. So that's how you guys can activate it as well. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.